Hi everybody, Ross here. Thank you for uh, tuning in to my analysis. Anyway, we are going to reach the end of the trading week and we just crossed the non-farm payrolls where I'm not active as I'm waiting for my funded account to be ready. It will take a few days, but it doesn't matter. I'm going to give an analysis on certain pairs in which hopefully it will give you an idea about what kind of direction bias that you want to take going over to next week. Okay, so let's just begin with the Euro USD. So always begin with a higher time frame to find your direction, and I say do not look too far away. Okay, you don't need all this information. You only need the current information right now, and the current information that you only need to know whether who is controlling the market. Is it the buyers or is it the sellers? And if the buyers is controlling the market, where will be the appropriate place or area where we can look for a long position, and then vice versa if the sellers are controlling the market. So we see from Euro USD, right, in the daily, right, price originally is downtrend, but we can see that a lot of bullish pressure pushing up. But today the end of the day session looks to be bearish, but this bearish is very weak. The way I see it, this bearish is a bit weak. So what I'm trying to say is that, for instance, when I look into this setup, right, remember my information, right, I only care like that. This is the only information that I take. Okay, I don't look at too big a picture. No use. So what I can see from right now is that there's a bullish pressure pushing up, and then what I can see that it's an inside bar breakout, and therefore I'll be marking my levels at here. Temporary, this will be the level for my daily. So probably I'll just put these I'll just put here to, remind ourselves, remind daily level. Okay, so that will be my daily level, and then let's see whether what's happening on the weekly in this case. Okay, so for the weekly level, we can see that right now there is a support around here, so we know that there are buyers around this level here, right? So I'm going to make one more level which is around here, which tells me that this is a weekly level that has not been violated in any kind of shape or form. So just put my weekly level here, and I'll just mark as weekly level. Okay, and we are done with our level so far. Okay, and then the thing is, I do not want to put a target on. The thing is, right, in this case, judging from the levels that I mark and how I mark it and the way I see it about for right now, right, the buyers are in control of the market in the higher time frame. Should I look at the monthly? No, it's too far ahead. I'll just go for the daily right now. Okay, so this is daily level, this is the weekly level. The end today, I believe this should be a weak sell momentum in the 4 hour. Yep. So for me, right, I would preferably to go long. Should price rotate down a bit more, perhaps into the daily level, but we do not know, because the thing for all we know, what Monday will, if Monday came out for a gap, then there will be a lot of confusion in whatever ways, in whatever, any kind of pullback, right? I'll just be looking for a buy. Okay, for Euro USD, and then to join this recent push up. Okay, this strong push up. So for Euro USD, we are done for that. Let's see how Aussie USD. Aussie USD as well. This is what 4 hour. Let's see the daily. just can't see that. Okay. Daily levels, I would say that the sell pressure has definitely decreased by a lot. Okay, so yeah, this is also a buy position. Okay, but because I feel that the structure is still can be going towards the top side, right? We can see this one strong pushing up towards here, right? And then this could be a, you know, me kind of a mirror image. And I think if you see previously before this, there should be one impulse previously, right? Yeah, yes. So looking for a long kind of setup here for Aussie USD. But okay, I find my daily level, so I'll just see my weekly level. I don't really see a lot. But weekly level based on this close, my price might just go down a bit more, and then from the weekly perspective, I just see that it might go down a bit, little bit more, and then go up. Okay, that's my view for Aussie USD. Going to delete this. See whether can I find any good zones here in the lower time frame. This is a 4 hour. Let me see if there's any good demand zone in the value based value here. I think this should be a very good demand. See whether if I can get it on the 30 minutes. Yeah. This is a very good zone. This is a good zone for us to buy come next week for us the USD. If he goes up here, leave it. Pound USD will be very interesting. Oh, I love pound USD. Daily level, ooh, extremely weak. Sell momentum, great. And I'll just take the previous support and then the 4 hour. I'm going to look for demand zones in the lower time frames to see if we can find, and then there is, of course. So rally base rally here in the 30 minutes. So I'll be waiting for price to come here and then look for a buy. Price on top here, don't bother. Okay, pound USD then. I'm not a fan favorite of the USD. I'm gonna leave this alone. USD cat starting up a downtrend. Price already went up. What can I see here? Let me see. Strong sell setup, right? Price has broken the support here. Okay, it is a daily support broken, and then we have a new lower low. We have a new low around here. That means price may push up. I'll be waiting for price to go up and then we sell. Okay, price go up and then we look for a sell setup. See whether can we get a good supply level in the lower time frames. Lower time frames, rally base drop. Rally base drop. Yeah, I think this is still the best. Yeah, just before price to go up then. See, why we can't sell here, you see that sell momentum strong enough. The sell momentum this week, you do not want to be selling here. It's too risky. So, fuck it. Okay, gold will be very interesting. Gold might just go up again. You see, does it have any effect on the weekly? Nothing. Daily. Daily has make a false break of this low. I don't know whether can you find a demand zone in the 4 hour. Yeah, price is in the demand. Sorry about that. Price is in the demand zone, but I don't think it's going anywhere today. Just be waiting for the buyer's power to come back, and then we will do something about it. Yeah, for gold is still good to go up still. Because we can see this could be a rally based rally here. Okay, a rally here, and then price make a base here, and then goes up. That's what I can say. For the meantime, I only got this pairs for now. I'll be coming back once the market open to analyze the rest of the pairs. Okay, that's all I have for now. Yen pairs also I'll be going for next week. Next week I'll see how it goes, because it's nothing much that I can say from here. Actually, it's quite a waste of time because there's no buy momentum, there's no sell momentum, so yen is quite a waste of time. So don't bother. Alright, so I'll see you guys next week. See you.